Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. You want more information about how to dry cure bacon in the refrigerator? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to dry cure bacon in the refrigerator is countrieskillsblog.com. Specifically the page titled Bacon Basics Bacon, in a bag method for dry curing. This is the link. You can also try bighow.net, especially the page How to Dry Cure Bacon in the Refrigerator at Food and Drink. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.wikihow.com. The web page How to Cure Bacon, 6 Steps, WikiHow. Here's the link.